The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Good evening, everyone. Not much in terms of rainfall right now. A little bit that's making its way through Amherst County, going to go into Bedford, but staying pretty calm, all things considered, compared to what's further towards our south, that we have some pretty light rainfall. And even now, compared to 3-4 hours ago, a lot of that rain has eased off. To look at the last hour or so of rain movement, a lot of ours has been further off towards the east, and even in the last hour, what's been coming from the east has sort of dissipated. Meanwhile, the general trend is for this system to keep on moving towards the south. So the little showers that were forming just south of the Carolina border, instead of rising further towards the north, keep on moving south. The larger batch of rain that's further on the eastern side of North Carolina is going to stay out there. Now, that's not to say that we're done with rainfall. Give it about 12 hours and we'll be dealing with more, but at least we get a little bit of a break. Saturday's got isolated storms. I think Sunday's got more scattered storms. Sunday looks like our best storm chance for a while. Both days around 90 degrees. We are going to cool down slightly on Sunday, mostly just because of the cloud cover that we have, preventing the sun from warming us up as nicely as we do beforehand. Once that cloud cover clears out, we'll warm up again for the middle of the week. On the future tracker, tomorrow morning starts off pretty calm. But again, by 11 noon, we start to get some showers coming in, and then they're a little bit more consistent in the afternoon. Some isolated storms as we get towards 6 p.m., and I think between 6 and 8, that could get some rumbles of thunder going in south side, but it's not looking too impressive for tomorrow. Kind of similar to how it was today. A lot of the most stormy conditions stay outside of our region. Now on Sunday, we'll start the day with some showers and a good amount of cloud cover. The more clouds and the longer we can have those clouds on Sunday, the less chance we have for severe storms, but there's a lot more heat that's going to build up on the eastern side of the state. So as this front keeps marching further towards the east, it picks up some of that energy, brings some rumbles of thunder towards Lexington, but a lot of the actual storminess on Sunday is going to develop in the afternoon pretty far off towards our east. Now, we still have a good amount of moisture wrapping around behind the system, keeping some showers in the forecast, even some downpours, so expect some rumbles of thunder into the afternoon. Once we get past 8 p.m., that's when really start to ease off, and we stay calm going through the night into Monday and Tuesday. A lot of us are looking at wind as our main threat, with some flooding as well. It's going to be hard for the energy with this one to get hail or tornado formation. There's just not a lot to go with. Flood risk is a level 1 for all of us, and for the severe storm risk, again, mainly wind there. It's a level 2 risk as you get south of the highlands, but the highlands themselves staying at a level 1. I wouldn't be surprised if that level 1 spreads further down towards the south, but that's what we're dealing with for right now. We'll be sure to keep you updated over the next couple of days as we get closer. Temperatures tonight are going to fall down into the 60s and some staying at the 70 mark. Roanoke's at 70, Alta Vista at 70, and Pulaski at 62. Tomorrow we bounce back pretty quickly. We start off with a good amount of heat. We have some sunshine. Not hard to get up to the 80s and 90s. Pulaski's at 87, Bedford at 88, and Alta Vista at 88. And on the extended forecast, temperatures are going to be pretty consistently in the mid-80s for Sunday and Monday with the extra cloud cover that we have. And then temperatures rise a little further. We're going to be around 90 for Tuesday, Wednesday, and on Thursday. Friday, our temperatures come down a little bit. We have more isolated storm chances towards the end of the week. That'll probably set us up for more rain for the next weekend.